Salamat.
I still remember where we were standing when the world stood still. Everything was an open canvas that we could fill.
Ang tunay na pagmamahal ay katulad ng pagmamahal ng ating Panginoong Jesucristo. Hindi ang sariling kapakanan ang iisipin, kung hindi kung ano ang makabubuti at magiging kalugod-lugod sa minamahal.
You're the feeling in my soul. Every sunrise turns to gold.
Ito natin, paano ka nag-aalala? Anong datingan ba? Baga,
4 sa social media lang.
Social media.
Pinakalala muna pala sa akin ng anak din natin, Chuhen. Tapos yun, social media na. Doon na, nagtuloy-tuloy na.
The rhythm in every morning that we chase down, and we're on.
Promise ko sa'yo na magiging mabuti akong may bahay at sana pagkalooban tayo ng anak at para mabuo natin yung pangarap nating pamilya.
You're the feeling in my soul. Every sunrise turns to gold. You're the reason I will never be alone. Every moment that we spend, like a symphony begins. You're the reason I will never be alone. You are my
Pinapangako ko sa'yo na hanggang sa huli magkasama tayo ng masaya at hindi kita lolokohin. Ikaw lang. I love you.
You're the feeling in my soul. Every sunrise turns to gold. You're the reason I will never be alone. Every moment that we spend, like a symphony begins. You're the reason I will never be alone. You are my
Bon, thank you sa pagdating mo sa buhay ko. Actually, sabi ko, pwedeng din ako mag-asawa kasi masaya na naman ako sa buhay ko. But, binigay ka talaga ni Lord sa akin nung time na hindi ko talaga ina-expect.
caught up in a trance. Don't even recognize the feeling that I got when we were walking hand in hand.
Lagi niyang mananalangin sa iisang Diyos na mayroong 3 persona upang sila ang maging patnubay niyo at gabay sa buhay mag-asama.
I think I want everything you got. You threw your line and I was caught. I'm never ever gonna give you up. Now you
Salamat sa pagmamahal mo sa akin, sa pagtitiyaga, at sa pagtanggap, sa lahat ng pag-intindi. Kung may mga problema, andyan ka. Basta maraming salamat at yun na nga, isa na rin nga dumating ka sa buhay ko.
I want you to be my everyday.
Salamat kasi nandyan ka, laging nakasuporta sa akin. At kahit na minsan moody ako, lagi mo pa rin akong pinagpapasensyahan. Tsaka iniintindi mo yung work ko. thank you at di na ako makapaghintay na makasama ka at makapagbuo tayo ng ating sariling pamilya. I love you.
You looked at me, looking at you, and there was nothing we could do to stop the moment from sweeping us up. I think I want everything you got. You threw your line and I was caught. I'm never ever gonna give you up. Now you found me, darling, you found me.
Ay, Jonah, message ko lang sa'yo papakamahalin ka at iingatan habang tayo nagkasama hanggang sa huli.
I want you to be, I want you to be, I want you to be my everyday.
Jonah, sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging asawa si Buwan na narito ngayon? Alinsunod sa batas ng tuntunin ng ating banal na simbahan.
Opo, Papa.
I can't remember.
Sumasang-ayon ka ba na maging may bahay si Jonah na narito ngayon? Alinsunod sa batas ng tuntunin ng ating banal na simbahan.
So I'm gonna close the door on any doubts.
Gagawin ko lahat para maging mabuting asawa at nanay sa ating magiging anak. Kita-kits tayo sa simbahan mamaya. I love you.
Now you found me, darling, you found me. I could never break away.